Hello, welcome back. Amir here. Last week we did the beginner home workout, and today we're gonna do the intermediate home workout. Okay, let's do this. Okay, for the next exercise, we need something that can slide. Let's see what we can find. Okay, so the next exercise is going to be push-ups. For those of you who cannot do push-ups, you can do it on your knees, like this. And for those of you who can do a lot of them, you can do this variation. One arm in, one arm out, like this. And build on your strength and eventually get to one-arm push-ups. Okay, let's do this. Okay, that is it for this video. Thank you for watching. Hope you liked the workout. And if you liked the video on the workout, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And also subscribe, because I'm gonna release the advanced video next week. And bell notification, that helps as well. And I'll see you in the next one. Okay, take care.